Hi, I'm Stephen Gallagher. I'm the marketing manager here at Canford, and I've come outside in this glorious sunshine to talk to you just a little bit about the Sennheiser XS Wireless Digital system. I'll apologise for the traffic noise just behind the camera. We've got the A1. Not a great deal I can do about rush hour, but we're going to crack on anyway. The XS Wireless Digital operates on 2.4 gig. That means it's license-free worldwide. Doesn't matter what your application, where you go, you're not going to need to worry about licensing. Just one thing to bear in mind, there's no exclusivity in the 2.4 gig space. So if you're in an area where there's lots of people, lots of technology, all trying to operate on 2.4 gig, you might start to bump into some connection issues, some interference. At the moment, I can see that I've got a nice stable connection from the transmitter to the receiver, with the little green indicator on here, which is solid at the moment. So I know that we've got a nice connection and that the camera is receiving the audio from me. I'm using the set that includes the ME2 lapel mic. And I'm not going to talk too much about the technical nature of the system. There's a load of reviews already out there. There's lots of people who spend a lot of time really pulling the system apart, getting to know it, telling you what's good, what's bad, sharing their thoughts. What interests me is something that's a little bit more practical, and that is, how far can we go? What's the range? So I'm going to test it for you. I'm going to start heading off into the distance, and as I say, when the audio drops out, the indicator on here will go red, and it'll tell me that I've gone a little bit too far and I need to come back. So I'm going to head off and we'll see how far we get. So like I say, the XS Wireless Digital operates on 2.4 gig. So you don't have any issues whatsoever with licensing. So it means that using it is relatively plug and play, get it out, charge it up. Has internal batteries, charges from a USB-C, and I think that you get about 5 hours use with this. So at the moment, I'm a good distance away. I would say I would estimate somewhere in the region of about 30 meters away. And at the moment, I've got a solid green indicator here, so it should be good. I'm going to go a little bit further, and as I do start to move away, I think that you're going to start seeing that the audio is going to drop out. When it does, it'll probably happen when I've got my back to the camera, because we no longer have a line of sight to the camera, between the transmitter and the receiver. When that happens, I'll turn around, so the audio might get a little bit sketchy, I should imagine, from here on in, but we'll see just how far we can get. Okay, so I'm going to keep on going, and there you go. The indicator went red, so it's telling me that the audio dropped out just for a second there as I turn my back to the camera. As soon as I've turned back around, we're back to solid green, and the reconnection was instant, I should say. So I'm going to just try a little further. We're obviously just on the limits of how far. Okay, so I'm definitely getting some dropout. So we're solid green when I'm facing the camera, as I said earlier, but as soon as I turn around, I don't know if you can see me actually, I might be too far away for you to be able to make me out back there. Did you hear that? I might be just too far for you to make me out. Okay, so from here we've got a solid connection, so I'm going to pace it back. I said we had a solid connection, then we dropped out. I'll come forward a little further. Okay, so from here I'm going to pace it back, and we'll see just how far we got with the license-free 2.4 gig Sennheiser XS wireless system. Okay, so here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, about 47. About 47 paces back. I think that's fantastic, isn't it? About 47 meters on a license-free 2.4 gig system. A whole set that cost you probably around about £250 list. I think that's doing superb. The system, as I said on the way down there, it charges, it's got an integral battery, charges through USB-C. I think a full charge is something like just over an hour. I think you get something like 5 hours use. I've been out here for a little while, and they function absolutely brilliantly. So there you go. Now we all know just how far you can get line of sight outdoors with the Sennheiser XS Wireless Digital system. If you've got any more questions about this system, please contact us. Visit the website, which is canford.co.uk, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.